हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू पीसी क्वेस्ट। आज ह्यूमन लाइफ का एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट एआई पे डिपेंड करता है। हम अपनी डे टू डे एक्टिविटी में एआई का बहुत ही फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज करने लगे हैं। चाहे कंटेंट राइटिंग की बात हो, आइडिया जनरेशन, स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग या फिर कोई भी टास्क, टाइम सेव करने के लिए हर कोई एआई का यूज करता है। एंड यस, इफ देयर इज टेक्नोलॉजी देन वी मस्ट यूज इट। अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप अपने सारे टास्क एआई या चैट जीपीटी से कॉपी पेस्ट करें। हाँ, आप एक बेसिक आइडिया जरूर ले सकते हो। सो एज वी कंटिन्यू आवर एआई टेक एंड गैजेट सीरीज, we will explore some of the best and free AI apps that student and everyone can use in their daily lives. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. This Notebook LM is powered by Google. What is Google Notebook LM? It is a smart AI tool from Google that works with your own documents. You can upload PDF, Google Doc, slides, and even link to website. It is made specially for students, researchers, and professionals. Top features of Notebook LM: Auto Summary and FAQs. Get quick summaries, FAQ, and study guide without reading the full document. Chat with your files. Ask questions and the AI will answer using your uploaded content. Audio summaries and mind maps. Listen to the podcast style overview or view your notes as visual mind map. StudyX. Best for students in doing their homework. What is StudyX? It is a AI homework helper, an AI-powered tool that provides step-by-step solution for math, science, coding, essay, and more. Multi-source inputs. Upload questions via text, image, PDF, or PPT and get instant help. Community and expert support. Backed by a global student community and expert contributors offering 24/7 help. Top feature of StudyX: step-by-step explanation. It uses advanced AI to give detailed and easy to understand solutions. Research and writing tools include features like PDF, PPT summarizer, essay writing, grammar check, code generator, and study guide flashcard creator. Multi-platform access available on web, mobile, and as browser extensions. Plus personal study space and focus timer tools. Gamma AI. Now if you are a student और आपको अपनी PPT बनानी है in few seconds, then you can use Gamma AI. What is Gamma AI? It is an AI-powered content design tool that can build presentation, docs, website, and more in minutes. Ideal for anyone who wants to turn ideas into polished visual content quickly, no design skill needed. Top feature of Gamma AI: auto-generated slide and theme. Just give a prompt or outline and Gamma builds a full deck with professional layout and brand consistency. Interactive media and live sharing, videos, PPT, web content, and access engagement analytics or present live via shared web link. Meta AI, powered by Meta, integrated in WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. What is Meta AI? AI assistant by Meta. Meta AI is an advanced AI assistant integrated across Meta platform, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp Messenger, and the Meta AI website. Accessible globally. Available in multiple countries, including India, offering user a wide range of AI-powered features. Top features of Meta AI: real-time image generation. The Imagine feature allows users to create images from text prompts with the image evolving as more details are provided. Integrated search capabilities. Meta AI can perform real-time searches across the web, providing users with the up-to-date information without leaving the app. Multilingual support. Offer real-time translation, enabling seamless communication across different languages. ChatGPT and Perplexity. Best for content writing. You can generate good ideas, scripts, and notes. What are ChatGPT and Perplexity? Both are powerful AI tools for content writing, that help you create ideas, scripts, articles, and notes quickly. They use advanced AI models to understand your prompts and generate high quality human-like text. Top feature of ChatGPT and Perplexity: idea generation and writing help. From blog post to video script, both can help you brainstorm and write faster. Easy editing and summarizing. They can rephrase, shorten, or expand your content as needed. Versatile use cases: perfect for student, writers, marketers, or business professionals who want to save time and boost creativity. Claude AI, best for coding purpose. What is Claude AI? Developed by Anthropic, Claude AI is an advanced AI designed for tasks like writing, research, coding, and more. It utilizes constitutional AI, focusing on safety and reliability to provide thoughtful, well-reasoned responses. Claude AI is available through various platforms including web, desktop, and mobile application. Top feature of Claude AI: multimodal capabilities. Claude AI can process both text and images, enhancing its ability to understand and generate content. Customizable writing styles. User can tailor Claude responses to match specific tones or format, such as formal, concise, or explanatory. Project for collaboration. The project feature allow user to organize chats, upload document, and collaborate with team, streamlining workflows. तो दोस्तों, AI का इरा है एंड यू कांट इग्नोर AI. अपने टास्क को बेस्ट, इफेक्टिव और इजीली बनाने के लिए यू मस्ट यूज AI. अदरवाइज आप और लोगों से पीछे रह जाएंगे. सो बी ए पार्ट ऑफ दिस AI वर्ल्ड. Get used to these apps. If you have any query about how to use these apps, do let us know in the comments and we will help you. If you find the video informative, like the video and subscribe to PC Quest. Thank you.